Nowadays, the factory automation has been common rapidly. The importance of maintenance and inspection at production sites is increasing. And because of that, the demand of electrical measuring instruments is growing. To meet such a demand, Epson has developed optimal microcontroller, S1C17M02 and M03. S1C17M02 and M03 are 16-bit flash microcontrollers, which include an EEPROM for calibration data storage, LCD driver, high-precision AD converter and an analog front-end as measurement circuit. An integrated analog network circuit supports various measurement modes such as voltage, current, resistance, continuity check, capacitance, diode, and frequency. In AC measurement, a square root circuit as an arithmetic operation is equipped to find the true RMS. It can reduce the software and CPU processing load. In addition, the peak-hold function ensures that the maximum and minimum values of the measurement results are not missed. Epson prepares the development kit, the evaluation board with flash microcontroller, and sample software. You can easily start the evaluation, especially for each measurement. The measurement result can be displayed on LCD panel of the board. And it is also possible that the data is transferred to the PC via USB connection. Besides the measurement circuit, Epson offers many advantages. The energy saving by Epson's unique low-power technology, LCD direct driving by integrated driver with power circuit, and man-hour saving by function-compatible model lineup. This microcontroller supports multifunctional measurements with minimum external parts. It is ideal for controlling measuring instruments such as digital multimeters and clamp meters. For more information, please visit the Epson website or contact the Epson representative.